Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to create these side cornrows with pigtails. Also this time I'm beginning with the partings. First you need the middle parting. After that I take a rectangle shape from the side. Inside the rectangle I will create the cornrows. I spray some water and then I start to shape the cornrows. This time I don't want the straight lines, so I just create something that comes into my mind. These are not symmetrical, but that's totally fine, and I like to have this time geometric shapes, something else than normally. I start braiding from the bottom, take 3 strands and start to move strands from side, under the middle, adding hair from the both sides of the braid. So right under, add hair, left under, add hair, right under, add hair, left under, add hair, right under, add hair, and left under, add hair. Keep on repeating this until you added all the hair into the braid. Next, I will release the middle part of the hair. Spray some water to make braiding easier. Then I start from the front. Take a piece of hair, separate it in 3 pieces, and start to braid, moving strands from side, under to the middle. So I use exactly the same technique as I did before. Even though the partings are not straight, I don't try to imitate the part lines, so I just braid naturally, and if the braid turns because of the parting is curvy, that doesn't bother at all, but this just easy and quick way bringing the hair about middle of the parting. Yet I will take the third parting under the work, so 3 strands and the basic attach braid technique. And here you can see the both sides finished. They are not similar, but that's fine. Next, I take the another half of my hair, spray some water and start the braiding from the front. Now I create the Dutch lace braid, so that means I have 3 strands and I'm still moving them from side under to the middle, but now I add hair only from the one side. So as you can see, on the left side of the braid I take hair in, but on the right side I skip the adding and just move strand under to the middle. Again, on the left side, add hair in, right under without adding, left under, add hair, right under, left under, add hair, right under, left under, add hair. Keep on repeating in this way. Every time you add hair in, make sure that you pull the hair all the way to the side of the parting. In this way, the braid will follow the side line, and later it's easier to add cornrows into this braid. Now you can see I start to adding those cornrows in, and basically until this moment I've added hair only from the one side, but now when I go downwards I add hair also from the right side of the braid. So left under, add hair just like before, but also when you move the right strand under, add hair or the braid inside the braid, so the braid will grow symmetrically and all the strands will keep on the same size. After adding all the hair into this braid, just keep on going without addings until the braid is reached its desired length. Then just repeat the same to the other side, except this time I add hair in the beginning from the right side, and on the left side I skip the adding. But as you already know, when I turn the braid downwards, I start to add also from the other side of the braid to get the cornrows in, but also remember add hair after this every time, because if you add only the braids in, it won't turn in the same way and the braid might look a little bit different if there will be one strand that is smaller than others or one strand bigger than other two. And after that we are finished. Here you can see the final result of this hairstyle. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Have a great day and happy braiding!